Motion is one of the 8 wastes of lean. It has to do with the movements of people or sometimes machines that don't create value and transform the product. Motion is wasteful whether it is big or small, and please don't underestimate small motions. A lot of small motions add up to a lot of motion, but if you think smart and creatively, you will find ways to eliminate it. A lot of your opportunity lies in having everything you need at the point of use, right at your fingertips. If you have to reach, move, struggle, or walk to complete a step, motion is slowing you down. Focus on placing everything as close to you as possible and make the work easy, and the waste will melt away. You can find more 1-minute videos like this one at leansmarts.com. Use them in all of your daily stand-up meetings. They're only a minute. Cover concepts like 3S, the 8 wastes of lean, Gemba, Kaizen, one-piece flow, and more with your subscription or free trial at leansmarts.com.